Aplastic anemia. Introduction. Which type of blood cell carries oxygen to the body? Choose one of the following options. 1. Red blood cells. 2. White blood cells. 3. Platelets. Correct. What is the name of the blood-forming cells that make all types of blood cells? Choose one of the following options. 1. Bone marrow. 2. Stem cells. 3. Platelets. Correct. An autoimmune disease is an illness that happens when your immune system attacks your body. Select true or false. Correct. Which one of the following statements is not true? Choose one of the following options. 1. Aplastic anemia is not contagious. 2. Aplastic anemia may be inherited. 3. Most cases of aplastic anemia happen when the immune system attacks bone marrow stem cells. 4. The causes of all cases of aplastic anemia are known. Correct. About 75 out of 100 cases of acquired aplastic anemia have no known cause. Which of the following blood cell types can cause the person to bleed more easily if the blood counts are low? Choose one of the following options. 1. Platelets. 2. Red blood cells. 3. White blood cells. Correct. Which one of the following statements is not true about the symptoms of aplastic anemia? Choose one of the following options. 1. The symptoms of aplastic anemia are the same for each person. 2. The symptoms of aplastic anemia are caused by low blood cell counts. 3. The symptoms can vary from person to person. Correct. The symptoms vary a lot from person to person. You may have only mild symptoms or you may have severe symptoms. A bone marrow biopsy is necessary to confirm a diagnosis of aplastic anemia. Select true or false. Correct. Aplastic anemia is related to two other bone marrow failure diseases, PNH and MDS. Select true or false. Correct. Which of the following are immunosuppressive drug therapies for aplastic